Many would turn to a dear friend in times of a dilemma or a crisis. A friend might be able to understand certain problems better than a parent or an older sibling. Friendship is said to have the ability to increase happiness and diminish misery by doubling OU joy and cutting down OU grief. Hence, a day dedicated to friendship on July 30th, the International Day of Friendship, has so much relevance today. The world offers us both happiness and sorrow. There are many challenges, crises and forces of division in the world such as poverty, violence and human rights abuses in the world. There are many others that undermine peace, security, development and social harmony among the world's peoples. The anxiety and depression that they have on young minds is beyond imagination. To confront these crises and as an answer to them, a shared spirit of human solidarity, which is otherwise known as friendship, must be promoted among men and women. Man learns to trust and love through friendship. These qualities will eventually transform the world to a better place to live.